Securities and Futures Commission, or SFC, issued 2 circulars last week to oversee digital asset tokenization activities in the city. In the circulars, the SFC said tokenized securities are fundamentally traditional securities with a tokenization wrapper. It also said the existing legal and regulatory requirements governing the traditional securities markets continue to apply to tokenized securities. Additionally, the agency said that the intermediaries advising on tokenized securities, management of tokenized securities in the form of tokenized funds, and secondary market trading of tokenized securities on virtual asset trading platforms are also governed by existing conduct requirements for securities-related activities. Jason Chan, partner at House Williams, told Forkast the SFC move is sensible.
For perhaps some other virtual assets, there might be a need for other new laws, but for a traditional, basically an underlying traditional security with just a new wrapper, a new way of distribution, I think the SFC's approach is very sensible. It's still regulating it from a traditional regulatory way with additional considerations on the new technology risk. The SFC also is aware that there's no kind of industry standard as to tokenization and all these digital products. Therefore, at the moment, the circular appears to be very broad and be flexible in terms of the ways that product issuers can issue their tokens and issue their tokenized securities or digital securities.
Staying with Hong Kong, where there's a new licensed crypto exchange in town. Swiss crypto bank SEBA Bank announced Wednesday that its subsidiary SEBA Hong Kong has received a license for crypto-related services from Hong Kong's Securities and Futures Commission. The license allows SEBA to conduct regulated activities in Hong Kong, including the dealing and distribution of all securities, including virtual assets-related products such as over-the-counter derivatives. Ludovic Shum, Managing Director of SEBA Hong Kong, joins us now to talk more about this. Welcome to Forkast, Ludovic.
Well, thank you for having me.
Well, congratulations first up on the SFC approval. How does this enhance SEBA's existing operations in Hong Kong? And an interesting detail of your license is that it also allows you to engage in both traditional securities and virtual assets. What synergies do you see between these two different asset classes?
I think this is being sort of well received by the industry. I think in Hong Kong specifically, though, whilst we will be focusing on professional investors, though, but we know that in terms of other market players, though, retail is also open to retail in that space, though. So I think the knowledge and the know-how is becoming more and more widespread, I would say, in Hong Kong, definitely.
And in the Hong Kong market, what category of crypto products are the most popular? SFC recently also said that they could be open to the idea of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Do you see a demand for that?
I think the key word I would say in the market is tokenization. In terms of tokenizing investment products, though, be it funds or other asset class, though, bonds or that, though, there's definitely a lot of interest on that front, though. So I think that would be probably the next area of development, though, that would sort of take place in Hong Kong.